Welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Friday evening, October 10th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of business and corporate news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
HSR Zero Waste returns as sponsor and participant at CWMA 2025 Annual Conference. HSR Zero Waste proudly returned as a sponsor and participant at the CWMA 2025 Annual Conference, joining sustainability leaders to advance waste reduction and circular economy solutions. This marked their second consecutive year of involvement, showing continued support for collaboration and innovation within BC's waste management community. The event brought together professionals to share knowledge, build partnerships, and explore new pathways toward a cleaner, more sustainable future. HSR Zero Waste, represented by company president Jamie Kaminsky, engaged with attendees to discuss waste reduction strategies and zero waste transformation initiatives. President Jamie Kaminsky stated, CWMA continues to be a valuable platform for collaboration in BC's waste reduction community. HSR Zero Waste remains committed to helping organizations reduce waste, improve diversion, and build circular systems for the benefit of the environment and local communities. Sweet Paris Crêperie expands to Bridgeland community in Cyprus, marking another milestone in Houston area's growth. Sweet Paris Crêperie and Café has expanded to the Bridgeland community in Cyprus, marking a significant milestone in the Houston area's growth. Located at 2240 Summit Point Crossing, Suite 150, Cyprus TX 77433. This new location offers a fresh, French-inspired menu including sweet and savory crepes, waffles, salads, paninis, and more. Owned by local entrepreneur Mike Kelton, who also operates Sweet Paris locations in Austin and the Woodlands, this new restaurant aims to be a part of something bigger by supporting local programs and creating a welcoming space for families and friends. Guests can join the Sweet Paris Passport loyalty program for exclusive promotions and rewards. With 22 stores in its portfolio and additional units in development nationwide, Sweet Paris continues to grow and share its passion for crepes with communities across the country.
Cogir celebrates 30 years of growth, innovation, and human-centered care. Cogir is celebrating its 30th birthday this year, marking 3 decades of innovation, growth, and a people-first approach to real estate and senior living. What began as a small Canadian venture has evolved into a cross-border success story, now spanning over 100 communities in the United States alone. Founded in 1995 by Serge G. Duguay, Cogir has grown under the leadership of Matthew Duguay, expanding into residential and retirement living. In 2018, Cogir USA was established, managing over 100 communities across the country with a focus on human connection, creativity, and excellence. CEO Matthew Duguay stated, 30 years ago, we set out to create spaces where people could thrive, not just live. Cogir remains committed to building communities that foster joy, connection, and purpose for residents and team members alike.
Investor news breaks. Gig Capital 8 Corp, GIWU, closes $253 million initial public offering, including full over-allotment exercise. Gig Capital 8 Corp, GIWU, has closed its $253 million initial public offering, including the full over-allotment exercise. The offering consisted of 25,300 units at $10 per unit, with 3,300 units sold through the over-allotment option. Each unit includes one Class A ordinary share and one right to receive 1/5 of a Class A ordinary share post-initial business combination. Trading on the NASDAQ Capital Market began on October 6, 2025 under the symbol GIWWU. Led by CEO and Chairman Dr. Avi Katz, Gig Capital 8 plans to pursue a business combination within 24 months, focusing on aerospace and defense, cybersecurity, secured communications, quantum command and control systems, and artificial intelligence. D. Boral Capital LLC served as the lead book-running manager, with legal counsel provided by DLA Piper LLP, U.S. and Ellenoff Grossman & Scholl LLP. For more information, visit Gig Capital 8's website. Investor news breaks. Safe and Green Holdings Corp. SGBX soars 86.7% to 6 3 cents on heavy volume and renewed market interest. Safe and Green Holdings Corp. Surged 86.7% to close at 6.33, rising 279 on strong trading volume as investors showed renewed confidence in the company's modular construction and sustainable development strategy. The sharp advance follows a series of operational updates highlighting Safe and Green's progress in expanding its eco-friendly infrastructure and manufacturing footprint. The rally positions Safe and Green as one of the day's most active small-cap gainers, underscoring heightened interest in sustainability-focused growth companies. Infinx invests in Voxology AI. Infinx, a leading provider of AI-powered solutions for patient access and revenue cycle management, has announced a strategic investment in Voxology AI, a healthcare technology company specializing in conversational AI agents for the front office. This partnership will integrate voice-first automation into Infinx's contact center solutions, offering providers AI scheduling agents to reduce administrative burden and enhance the patient experience. Voxology AI's flagship offering is now part of the Infinx platform, providing natural, empathetic conversation for appointment scheduling and changes. This collaboration aims to improve access to care, reduce hold times, and increase patient satisfaction. Providers using Voxology AI have seen significant reductions in call volume, increase in new patient appointments, and higher patient satisfaction across diverse populations.
Safe Pro Group Inc. and Red Cat Holdings collaboration to bring cutting-edge AI threat detection capabilities to Black Widow TM drones. Red Cat Holdings is collaborating with Safe Pro Group to incorporate AI threat detection technology into drones. Safe Pro Object Threat Detection, SPOT-D, allows drones to identify and locate explosive hazards in real time. With over 2 million images processed, SPOT-D has detected over 36,000 landmines and unexploded ordnance. SPI's technology enables Red Cat's Black Widow TM drones to detect threats instantly. The drones will also integrate with SPOT-D navigation, observation, and detection engine node, providing a powerful edge-based solution. Investors can find updates on SPI in the company's newsroom. AI Newswire is a communication platform focusing on AI advancements, offering various services to help companies reach their target audience effectively.
Runway Growth Finance to acquire SWK Holdings. Runway Growth Finance Corp is set to acquire SWK Holdings, a life science-focused specialty finance company. This acquisition will accelerate Runway Growth's strategy to diversify and optimize its portfolio, adding significant scale and enhancing its financial profile. The merger is expected to be accretive to net investment income, with mid-single-digit NII accretion anticipated. The transaction will expand Runway Growth's exposure in the healthcare and life sciences sector, increasing healthcare investments to approximately 31% of the portfolio. With a focus on disciplined growth and venture debt investing, Runway Growth aims to generate long-term value for shareholders through both organic and inorganic strategies. The acquisition is a net asset value merger with an estimated purchase price of approximately $220 million, including a fixed stock component and cash payment. SWK's portfolio includes 22 companies with an approximate fair value of $242 million. The transaction is expected to close in late 2025 or the first quarter of 2026, pending approvals and customary closing conditions.
Trident Zoetic strengthens global leadership team. Trident Zoetic announces a major expansion of its executive leadership team, strengthening its scientific, financial, marketing, and business development capabilities. Dr. Jade Stinson is appointed Chief Science Officer, leading global scientific research and technology innovation. Udi Sanon is appointed Global Chief Marketing Officer, overseeing worldwide marketing and brand expansion. Asad Sultan is appointed Global Vice President of Corporate Finance, leading the company's global financial strategy. Dr. Edward S. Gindi, MD, is appointed Chief Business Development Officer, driving strategic partnerships and international expansion. These appointments reflect Trident Zoetic's commitment to delivering secure, sustainable solutions across rare earths, quantum computing, AI infrastructure, and clean energy systems, advancing the world towards a cleaner, smarter, and more resilient future.
Chinese EV maker BYD records 880% surge in its UK sales. Chinese automaker BYD has reported an impressive 880% year-over-year sales increase in the UK during September, solidifying Britain as its largest market outside of China. With 11,271 vehicles delivered last month, the PHEV version of the Seal U SUV was the most popular choice among consumers. This success should inspire other companies, such as Massimo Group, Nasdaq Mamo, looking to expand into global auto markets. Green Car Stocks, a platform focused on electric vehicles and the green energy sector, provides valuable insights and news for investors and industry professionals alike.
Micropolis Holding Co., NYS American MCRP, partnership with NVIDIA to strengthen robotics developer position, support global expansion. Micropolis Holding Co., listed on YSE American as MCRP, has partnered with NVIDIA to enhance its robotics developer position and support global expansion. By joining NVIDIA's Inception program, Micropolis gains access to advanced AI and robotics technologies using NVIDIA GPUs and Orin edge computing modules as core processing units for its autonomous robots. This collaboration includes integrating NVIDIA Omniverse and Isaac Sim to create digital twins for simulation and testing of AI systems. This partnership strengthens Micropolis's position as a UAE-based robotics developer with global ambitions, following its expansion into Egypt and North Africa through an exclusive distribution agreement with Erixio. Micropolis Holding, known for UGVs and AI-driven security solutions, is now a member of NVIDIA's Inception program, embedding NVIDIA's GPU and simulation technologies within its robotics ecosystem for enhanced performance and adaptability.
Green energy breaks. Bollinger Innovations Inc., Nasdaq BNI, to begin trading on OTCID market October 13th. Following voluntary Nasdaq transition, Bollinger Innovations Inc., an electric vehicle manufacturer, will begin trading on the OTCID market starting October 13th, 2025, under the same ticker symbol, BNI. This move aims to enhance operational flexibility and reduce compliance costs while upholding transparency through OTC's disclosure standards. Following withdrawal from the Nasdaq hearings process due to non-compliance with Listing Rule FEF55FB2, Bollinger stock will transition to OTCID. The company plans to focus on expanding its commercial EV presence, exploring OTC market tiers, potential international listings, and a potential return to a national exchange. For more information, visit Bollinger Innovations newsroom at /ibn.fm BNE.
Fairchild Gold Corp. FAIR is one to watch. Fairchild Gold Corp., listed on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol FAIR, is a mineral exploration company focused on acquiring, exploring, and developing high-quality mineral properties in mining-friendly jurisdictions across North America. The Nevada Titan Project, located just outside Las Vegas, is a flagship asset with high-grade copper assays and clear porphyry skarn potential. Fairchild's pending acquisition of the Golden Arrow project could add a resource-stage gold-silver asset to the portfolio. The company's leadership team brings deep experience in geology, policy, capital markets, and mine development. Fairchild is utilizing AI-integrated geophysics, drone magnetics, and modern geochemical analysis to accelerate targeting. For more information, visit the company's newsroom online.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.